Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to review the Dyson Airwrap. I've been using this from past 6 months and I am giving a review now because I know how it works and I understand this product better now. And I am also going to show you guys how I create this hair look with the Dyson Airwrap. This is the hairstyle I am wearing almost every day since I got my short hair cut. Before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram because I create so many fun reels and different looks there also. So let's get into the video. So first of all, I am going to open up and show you guys how it actually looks inside. So as you guys can see, it comes with a cover to cover everything up. And this is how it looks inside. Here is the main wand and of course here is a round brush, two straightening brushes, two different sizes of curling wands and then a dryer. Now I will open and show you guys every product in detail. So to start with, we have the dryer. So this is the drying attachment. So if you want to dry your hair, you can actually use this attachment and it does a very good job. And now let's move on to the straightening brushes, and they give you two kinds of straightening brushes. So first let's talk about this brush. This is actually a straightening brush and this is for the people who have fine hair. So if you have fine hair, it is very easy to manage them. So this brush is used. And let's move on to this brush. This is actually a foam brush. So moving on to this brush is also a straightening brush. But this is for the people who have coarse hair or curly hair. So if you have curly hair, you are going to use this brush to straighten your hair. And also the thing with these brushes, both of these brushes are, they can actually move. Like you can see these two can actually move. So with this you can go like this or like this. These are going to adjust themselves according to the motion of your hand or the way you are straightening your hair. So these are about the straightening brushes. Moving on, we have curling wands and there are two different sizes of them. This one is the 30mm one and this one is the 40mm one. So if you want more voluminous curls, you should opt for this one. But if you are looking for tight curls, it's always better to opt for this one. And also if you guys can see, there are arrows on this wand so that they indicate the direction of your curl. So for example, if I use this one this side, the curl will be on this direction. So if I use the same one in this side, the curl will be inside. So this one will be outside, this one will be inside. So according to your preference, you should manage and adjust the wands you want. So now we have a round brush. This is a basic round brush that you use for blow drying. So this is going to give you all the volume you want. And finally we have the main wand. I am going to show you guys a close-up look of this. As you guys can see, there are three different kinds of buttons. So this one in the middle is the power button and this one right here is to adjust the fan speed. So this one right here is to adjust your heat. So if you want high heat or medium heat or a cold shot, you could use this. So as you guys can see, if you move the power button upwards, it will start, and if you move it further upwards, it will give you a cold shot. It is all about all these three buttons, and at the back there is a lock, and if you want to remove an attachment, you just have to pull it down and you can easily remove the attachment. So this is all about how different attachments work and the basics of this wand. So now I will show you guys how I create this look. So guys, first I am going to start with damp hair. For Dyson to work, you want your hair to be little wet. That's when you get the best result. So I am just working with my damp hair now, and always use your heat protection. So I am gonna use my heat protection. And now to the wand, I am going to attach this one. I actually like using this brush rather than the other one because I feel it helps to control frizz more better. But if you have fine hair, it's always better to use the other brush that comes with this. And now I am keeping my temperature in the second one and also the fan speed in the second one because I don't want too much heat because I will be using this on my roots. So I am going to start it now and let's see. If you guys can see, I am moving little faster as I approach my ends because I am going to curl my ends. So that's the reason I am going fast. I am going to do this part of my hair first because you will get a better idea of how it actually looks. So as you can see the difference, this is how your hair is going to look. The ends are pretty much damp still now because as I already told, I am going to use a color on them. But the roots, they are good. So this is the finish you will be getting if you use this brush, the hair straightening brush. This is of course not the result you will get with the straightener. With Dyson you will not get that effect that you will get with the straightener, but this is the effect that you are going to get with this. So now I'll go and quickly finish this side too. As you guys can see, I am pretty much done straightening my hair and now I am going to curl it. And for that I am going to section my hair first because I just feel it's easy to work like that. And now I am going to take this and attach this curler. This is the 30mm barrel. I am using this because I want tight curls since my hair is short. If I use the 40mm barrel, the curls, like you can't notice the curls properly, so that's the reason I am using this. But when I had long hair, I used to love using the 40mm one because it's easy to work with and it takes less time when compared to this one. So for my curls, I am going to keep the temperature in the highest and the fan speed in the highest. As you can see, the arrows are pointed towards outwards, which means I'll get outward curls. So you have to check this before you are curling. And now I am going to take a section of my hair. Always switch off your Dyson before taking it off because if you keep it on, the curl won't be good. So I am going to release the curl now and this is how it is going to look. Now release it. Can you see? They are so good. So whenever I use my normal curling iron, I will always end up burning my hand. Like I'm very bad with it, but with this that is not happening. So that's the best part about this for me. So now I am going to quickly complete everything and come back to you guys. And also I forgot to mention, whenever I'm going to remove the wand, I always give a cold shot for 10 seconds and then I remove it. They say it is going to help to keep the curls set in place more better. I'm done with one side and this is how the curls are going to look, or this is how the overall effect is going to look. I'm going to complete the other side too and then come back to you guys. And I am going to change the wand because I want the curls to be outside. If I use the same wand, they will be inside and it will look like these outside and those inside. So always remember to change your wand. So guys, this is how my hair looks after all the styling. This is so bouncy and I just love how it looks. As you guys can see, this is how it is going to look at the end. So I started using this when I have very long hair, and the barrels, like they're not enough for my hair, but if you have very long hair, there are longer barrels too. You can go and order those. So if you have long hair, remember to order long barrels. So coming to how these are going to last on my hair, these will last pretty well on my hair. Like they will last up to 3 days. I don't say they will definitely look like this, they will definitely die down a little, but the effect, like you can see teeny tiny curls on my hair, the effect will still be there. My hair is like, it looks like it's actually blow dried. So the basic blow dry effect will be there, not the curls. The curls, like you can see a little effect, not exactly like this, but it is going to last up to 3 days. The effect, it is going to last up to 3 days and I actually like that a lot. So coming to my review, and do I think it is worth it? It completely depends, guys. This product is so expensive, like so damn expensive. So if you are someone who style your hair rarely, I wouldn't definitely suggest you guys to get this one, because why do you want to pay so much amount on something which you are not going to use? So definitely don't get this if you are not someone who is going to use it almost every other day. But if you are someone who is willing to invest and who have saved up some money to invest into this, you can definitely go ahead and buy this one. And also if you are someone who loves your hair to be pin straight, or if you are looking for that effect that your basic or normal curling wands will give you, it is not going to happen. You will just get the blow dry effect. The Dyson itself does not claim that it will give you that pin straight hair or that effect. It is just going to give you the blow dry effect. So definitely remember this before you go ahead and buy this product, because these are definitely going to give you a blow dry effect, not the effect that you will get by using your regular straightener or a curler. So keep that in mind. So I actually love how this works, and I actually love the fact it does minimal damage to your hair. But again, it is priced so higher end that I don't say it is definitely a necessity. So it's up to you guys. If you are willing to use that much amount on a hair tool, and keeping in mind that it only gives you a blow dry effect, and still willing to get that one, or if you are someone who does hairstyling regularly and want to get this one, I mean, if you are willing to invest it, definitely go and invest, because this is a good product. Like for me, I actually liked it. I don't think anything bad about this product, or there is nothing I hate about this product. I like it, but again, definitely not a necessity. So this is my review on this product. I hope you guys find it helpful. See you all in another video.